What's going on, you guys? Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, I pretty much just own cars and I try to fix them up to OEM spec as much as possible. You guys probably clicked this one because I did get a new truck. I'm sure it's gonna be in the thumbnail. I haven't thought of what it's gonna say yet, but that's what it's gonna be about. And let me go ahead and introduce you to it. Yeah, this is my 2016 Ford F150 XLT. I did not get the, well actually it's 2017, I don't know what I said, but 2017 Ford F150 XLT. I did not get the EcoBoost. This is just the base V6. It's my understanding that EcoBoost is better for, I guess, just performance and towing. I don't really tow anything. I don't have a boat, I don't have a trailer, I don't need to tow anything. Would it have been great to get the EcoBoost? Of course, but this is what was in my price range. It fits everything I need. I got a lot of room, front and back seats, because you know I got a bunch of grown men that are friends or whatever, so they're not gonna be cramped in the back like my old STI was. Not that it was cramped, but you know I got a lot of friends. Anyways, here it is, 2017. It is the XTR model, which means that it comes with the chrome. It's got the chrome bumper, chrome wheels, door handles, running boards. Let me take you to the front, and the chrome grill. Obviously you guys can see that, but my taste, I'm sure you guys, if you guys been watching the STI videos from before, my taste is more OEM plus, I guess you could say. I love the stock look, I love the OEM performance. I don't really like, there's always, you can say that a lifted truck looks better with nicer tires and nicer wheels, but my opinion, from what I like to do, I like to keep the cars looking stock. I like to keep them performing like they're brand new. I don't want to lose any fuel efficiency. That's another reason I got this truck, because it has the same MPG, if not a little bit better than my STI. I think my STI was getting like 15, 16 on a good week as far as miles per gallon. It was great, it was awesome, but if I could get 16 MPG in this thing and drive around the city and have all this room and be able to haul stuff around, why not? It's obvious upgrade for me anyways. But yeah, I am going to keep it stock. I'm going to keep it clean. I've never really been a fan of chrome, but I think chrome with this color looking stock looks amazing. Like my last truck, I didn't really make videos back then, but my last truck was the 2006 F150. It had like a 4-inch lift with 35-inch tires, 17-inch rims. Just like what your regular truck is, what you see on the road as far as lift and upgrades. But I was getting maybe 8 to 10 miles to the gallon in the city. So if I could get the same stuff and get double that, then why not? But this is it. I freaking love it. I'm gonna do I'm gonna do a few upgrades, a few cleanup touches. It's like, of course, like, so this thing, right, the caliper, it's got some surface rust on it. It doesn't affect the performance at all, but I am gonna clean it up, sand it down, paint it back to silver, the stock silver, because let me show you the front ones. The front ones actually look pretty good. I don't know why that happened. Maybe they're replaced or something, but the front look a lot better than the back. They still got the factory silver color, but as you guys can see, this thing is clean. It's got 50,000 miles, 55-ish. So yeah, first, of course, I'm gonna paint the calipers, clean it up a bit. It's already been detailed by the dealer that I bought it from. I got some floor mats. I'll show you guys in a second what I got for the truck, but I'm gonna replace the floor mats. I would like to eventually upgrade to some cat skin leathers, just because I like leather seats, and I have a dog, so actually this is the perfect time to show you guys why I want leather seats. I don't know if it'll show up on camera, but this is all dirt and mud, because I take my dog to the park sometimes, and you can't really control what the park is gonna look like, so it gets muddy sometimes. But yeah, upgrade that to leather, upgrade to some Husky floor liners, make that look cleaner. This is also a drop-in bed liner. I want to upgrade that. I've always been a fan of the spray bed liners just because I don't want moisture getting under here. It is aluminum bed, so it's not going to rust, but if I could, you know, protect the truck as much as I can, then why not? So, you know, plus I don't really like how flimsy this looks or feels. So yeah, spray and bed liner. Oh, and I didn't show you guys. Let me drop this. Oh, that's pretty heavy. I didn't want to slam it. But a trunk dampener. I went ahead and purchased the floor mats and the dampener. I'll show you guys in a second. But those are just a few mods I'm going to do. I'm going to keep it stock. I really like the way this truck looks stock. Like I said, I wasn't really a fan of chrome ever, really. But it looks good with this color combination. I think it's called like blue jeans blue or something. But yeah, and then, you know, I'll make videos and stuff of all the intervals as far as maintenance goes, transmission fluid, brake pads and stuff like that. Oh, and then of course some LED headlights, because these headlights, they are not good at all, especially coming from some nice projectors on the STI where you could see pretty much anything. Coming back to these basic halogen bulbs, I'm going to upgrade to some LED bulbs, see what that looks like, and then if I can find some stock-ish looking projector headlights, and that would be great. Then yeah, but that's it. And this is what I got so far. I don't know if it's going to show up because the lighting's pretty bad in the garage, but I got some Husky liners. These actually came in today. I just came back. I got the notification on Amazon that they were delivered, and I rushed home as fast as I could. But got the floor mats. I got the trunk dampening. So that's what's going to come up next. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. This is a pretty quick video. It's kind of just an introduction to the truck. I'll be doing a different video later on how it's performing, how I like daily driving it. Obviously, videos of me cleaning up the interior, putting in the mats, installing the hood. I keep calling it hood. The trunk dampener. It's going to be a good series. So far, I really love it. I've been driving it. It's very comfortable. It's exactly what I wanted. Something daily drive. Yeah, something I can daily drive. Something that's good on gas, and it looks good. So, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys want to see with the truck. Maybe something I should do different. Maybe you guys got some hidden features that I don't know about, because I've been watching a lot of videos and I'm learning something almost every day. And then I'll consolidate all that into one video, so hopefully you guys can learn something and not have to do hours of research like I did. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, stay tuned, and let's see this truck get upgraded.
I wish to be so much better. I wish to be me.